In the morning. In the morning when you wake up, you eat breakfast, right? So we'll learn a few words that are common in breakfast. Or first of all, you might want to call your breakfast. So breakfast is ukutya kwasekuseni. Ukutya kwasekuseni. That means morning food or food of the morning. Ukutya kwasekuseni. Breakfast. Bread is isonka. Isonka. Bread. An egg is iqanda. 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 And the last thing we look at is coffee. Ikofu. Ikofu. Cheers, guys.